Your PC is slow, lagging, freezing when you open apps, and you've already tried turning things off. But here's the truth. Some of the biggest performance gains come from turning the right settings on, especially if you're using a low-end PC with 4GB or 8GB RAM. Windows has hidden features designed to help performance, but most people never enable them. In this video, I'll show you 7 Windows settings you should turn on right now to make your PC faster, smoother, and more responsive. No complicated tweaks, no risky changes, just simple settings you can apply in minutes. Let's start with one of the easiest wins. Section 1, Turn on Storage Sense. One of the simplest ways to improve performance is keeping your system clean automatically. And that's exactly what Storage Sense does. On low-end PCs, storage can fill up quickly. Temporary files, cache, old update files, all of these build up over time. And when your drive gets full, your PC slows down. Apps take longer to open, and Windows struggles to manage resources. Storage Sense fixes this. Here is how to enable it. Press Windows+I to open Settings. Go to System, click Storage. Now turn on Storage Sense. Once enabled, Windows will automatically delete temporary files, clear recycle bin items, and manage unnecessary data. You can also click into Storage Sense settings, set how often it runs, for example, every day or every week. This keeps your system clean without manual effort. And a clean system means faster performance. This is especially important for hard drives, because less clutter means faster read and write speeds. Turn this on once and let Windows handle cleanup for you. Section 2, Turn on Best Performance Power Mode. Your power settings control how your PC uses performance, but by default, Windows uses balanced mode. This saves energy but limits performance, especially on laptops. If you want better speed, you need to switch to performance mode. Here is how to do it. Press Windows+I, go to System. Click Power and Battery. Look for Power Mode. Change it to Best Performance. That's it. Now your PC will prioritize speed over power saving. This allows your CPU to run at higher speeds and respond faster when opening apps. It also helps reduce lag during multitasking and improves overall responsiveness. Important tip: if you are using a laptop, keep it plugged in, because Windows may still limit performance on battery. This is a simple change, but it makes a noticeable difference, especially on low-end PCs. More power means better performance. Section 3, Turn on Game Mode. Game mode is not just for gaming, it also helps optimize system performance. Many people turn it off, but on some systems, it actually helps. Game mode tells Windows to prioritize active tasks and reduce background activity. This can improve responsiveness. Here is how to enable it. Press Windows+I, go to Gaming. Click Game Mode, turn it on. When enabled, Windows focuses more resources on what you are doing. Instead of background tasks, this can reduce interruptions and improve smoothness, especially on low-end PCs. Important note: if you notice worse performance, you can always turn it off. But for many users, it helps stabilize performance. Try it and test your results. Section 4, Adjust Graphics Settings in Windows. Windows 11 includes built-in graphics settings that can improve gaming performance. These settings help control how your system handles graphics, especially if you have integrated graphics. Here is how to access them. Press Windows+I, go to System, click on Display, scroll down and click Graphics. Here you can manage graphics performance for individual apps. Click Browse and add your game. Once added, click on the game. Then click Options. Select High Performance. This tells Windows to prioritize performance for that game instead of saving power. This is especially useful on laptops, where the system may try to limit performance to save battery. Section 5, Turn on Fast Startup. If your PC takes too long to boot, this setting can help. Fast Startup reduces boot time by saving system information before shutdown. So when you turn your PC back on, it starts faster. Here is how to enable it. Press Windows+S, type Control Panel, open it, go to Power Options. Click Choose what the power buttons do. Click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now check Turn on Fast Startup. Click Save. Now your PC will boot faster. Important note: fast startup is not a full shutdown, so sometimes restarting is still necessary. But for daily use, it speeds up startup time. This is especially useful on hard drives, where boot times are slower. Turn this on and enjoy faster startup. Section 6. Turn on transparency effects. This might sound surprising, but not all visual settings should be off. Some visual features help with smoothness. Transparency effects can make transitions feel smoother and improve perceived performance. Here is how to enable it. Press Windows plus I, go to Personalization. Click Colors, turn on transparency effects. Now, this is optional. On very low-end systems, you may want it off. But on 8GB systems, it can make the UI feel smoother. The key is balance. Not everything should be disabled. Test what works best for your system. Performance is not just numbers, it's also how smooth your PC feels. Section 7. Turn on Windows security. Performance is not just speed, it's also stability. And security plays a big role. If your system is infected or running unsafe software, performance drops, crashes increase, and your PC slows down. That's why keeping Windows security on is important. Here is what to check. Press Windows plus I, go to Privacy and Security. Click Windows Security, open it, make sure. Real-time protection is on. Virus and threat protection is active. This prevents malware from using your resources and keeps your system stable. Important tip: do not install random antivirus tools. They can slow down your PC. Windows security is optimized for performance. Keeping your system safe also keeps it fast. Let's quickly go over everything. Turn on Storage Sense. Use best performance power mode. Enable game mode. Turn on GPU scheduling. Use fast startup. Adjust visual settings. And keep Windows security active. These settings help your PC run smoother without any upgrades. Start with just a few, and you will notice a difference. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more simple PC fixes. See you in the next video.